Independent educational consultants, IEC, are trusted advisors who empower students to make informed decisions and succeed in their academic journey abroad. This guide provides how to register as an IEC. Go to www.studyoverseas4u.com and click Register on the right side top corner. Scroll down until you see Independent Consultant. Click to register. Enter your personal email address and the CAPTCHA displayed on the page. Agree the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and click Register. You will get a screen displaying the confirmation of registration. Wait for the email to receive in your provided personal email address. Also check junk mail if you did not receive the email in inbox. Read the instructions provided in the email. Click the link or copy and paste the link provided in the email to continue your reg citration as an IEC. After clicking the link or copy-paste, the link page will open to continue registering your details. The page requires necessary information like your name, phone number. Preferred username is the one which will be your login name, and choose it according to the way you want to appear in the Study Overseas 4U email. It requires minimum of 6 characters. The input field will throw errors if the username doesn't meet minimum requirements. Location and address section is very important and is used for verifying your ability to recruit students from the specific country or region. Fill in all the details like country, city, state and postal code. This information is used for allocating your student recruitment areas or regions. Accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once submitted, wait for the welcome email in your inbox. Check the junk email as well. This usually takes less than a minute to receive in your email. You will receive 2 emails, one with your username and other with your password. Read the emails carefully for the instructions. Go to the Study Overseas 4U login page and use the username and password provided in the email. Once the password will be provided, you will be asked for a 2-factor authentication which you receive in your email each time of login attempt. Once logged in, you will see that your account is pending verification and is under review by our onboarding team. You can only change your profile details until verification is completed. You may wait for any requests from the onboarding team for further updating your details. You will receive an email in your personal mailbox if the onboarding team requests for further details. Use the login credentials and looks for the requests menu in the portal. Upload the document requested and add your comments for the same. It is not necessary to upload all documents if you are sure that the single document contains all the necessary information requested. Once all the verification is completed, you will receive a welcome email containing instructions to access the Study Overseas 4U email. This is the email address you will be using for login and communication with students. From now onwards, you will receive your 2-factor authentication in Study Overseas 4U email. So it is important to access the Study Overseas 4U email before login to the portal. Once you log in to Study Overseas 4U email address and every of the configuration for email is complete, go to studyoverseas4u.com portal and use your credentials, username and password, to log in. 2-factor authentication will be received in your Study Overseas 4U email. The next step is to sign the agreement with Study Overseas for You and Evelyn's global solution for recruiting students from your allocated region to Study Overseas for You partner institutions, universities, colleges, academies, etc. Now you have full access to the student recruitment portal. You will see all the list of institutions, courses and destinations. Search in knowledge base or contact support for any further details.